See that painted cloud? It isn't art. It's a delivery room where a new sun is switching on. Nebulae are giant clouds of gas and dust, the cradles of stars and the workshops of planets. They're mostly hydrogen. A passing shock wave from a supernova or stellar winds triggers gravitational collapse in denser pockets. These seeds grow into protostars, wrapped in dusty cocoons and a disk. Deep inside, temperature and pressure climb. When the core reaches the threshold for nuclear fusion, the star clicks on. That's its birth. The colors tell the physics. Red, H-alpha, marks glowing ionized hydrogen in emission nebulae. Blue comes from starlight reflected by dust in reflection nebulae. Black silhouettes are dark nebulae that block the light. Planetary nebulae and supernova remnants reveal how stars die and enrich space with heavier elements. Newborn stars reveal themselves with jets and Herbig Haro objects, where those jets slam into surrounding gas. In the disks around them, dust grains clump into planetesimals, then planets. Everything we are, carbon in skin, iron in blood, was forged in stars and assembled in nebulae. Stellar winds and UV radiation from hot young stars carve, erode, and sculpt the clouds. When the gas is blown away, the nursery closes, leaving a cluster of new stars and their worlds. So the next time you see a colorful cloud from Hubble or JWST, look at it as a cosmic birthing room. Pressure, chaos, light. And from it, future suns, planets, and maybe life.
Thanks for watching. Enjoyed it? Hit like. Want more smart science? Subscribe. Now pick your next video on the screen. Stay curious. See you there.